you look
They're
at?
both down there.
The glowing.
Yeah, whatever. Is that rain on the water? Or
I think it's rain on the water.
what should we do about it?
I hear thunder.
Go into it?
Well, we could go closer to Madeline Island. I don't know.
Yeah, because I'm looking at this guy and he's clear.
He's fine, yeah. It's hard to gauge the distance. But this is very nice sailing. This is nice.
It's perfect.
I haven't seen any lightning or anything. I think that.
Yeah, I think the thunder we're hearing is way high.